What is going on, guys? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Before we dive in, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. So with that being said, let's jump over onto gold right here. So what's the first thing that we see on the monthly time frame? Guys, bullish monthly impulse leg. So we know that we are bullish on the monthly time frame. Now let's jump over to where price currently is and mark out our monthly trading range using the previous monthly high or low here. And these would normally be targets, and these sometimes give us clues on where price is potentially going next. But we have got the monthly candle sitting almost dead center of the range still, literally in the same place it's been for the past 3 weeks. So we don't have much indication where price could be going next on the monthly time frame. So we're going to have to go down the time frames. Let's go down to the weekly and see what is going on. Weekly here again. So first thing, impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, and then impulse here, but we haven't made a new high yet. Price made about 50% of the way, and now we are pulling back, but we are still bullish while we are above this previous weekly low right here. So what clues have we got from the candlesticks? And again, not much. If we mark up this week's high-low points, so next week, this is going to be the previous week, high and low. Now, these again, a lot of the time give us clues at the beginning of the week. If price is close to the previous weekly high or low, chances are at the beginning of the week, it's going to swipe it and reverse. But here, again, we've got no clue really on the weekly time frame, just like the monthly time frame, because price, if we look, is sitting dead center. So it could go either way. It could go up or it could go down. There's no real indication on the weekly time frame, just like the monthly, of where we might be going next. So let's jump down onto the daily time frame. Open price up a little bit more. So what can we see here? Impulse. And we've got this breaker structure down here, price mess around a bit here, and then we've got this continuation here. So the daily is bearish. So we've got the monthly bullish, the weekly bullish, and the daily bearish. What can we see here? We've got some clues now. We've got an imbalance here that still hasn't been filled. Price tried to fill this on Friday. We had this push up, and then price failed, and it closed back down here. And if we mark out our daily range for Monday, daily high, daily low, there's still no real indication on the daily time frame where we might be going based on this candle close. I'm expecting price, obviously we've got this continuation, retracement into here. I'm looking for that continuation. But on the open, still, you look, price is really dead center of the daily range. So what I want to see going into next week is we could pull back. We could swipe this previous daily low. If we do that, we fake it, we get confirmation. I'm going to look to buy up to this imbalance here. If we open up bullish and break this previous daily high, swipe the liquidity, mitigate this imbalance on the daily, we get 30-minute, 1 hour confirmation. Boom. I'm going to look for continuations from there. That's the two things I'm looking for going off this daily chart here. So if we go on the 4 hour, what can we see? So we've got 4 hour. 4 hour is bullish. Now, if we look here, we've got this. Let's delete that, actually. We've got this 4 hour high here. Last bullish candle before the bearish. This zone here created that push down. And then we've had this 4 hour low here. Last bearish before the bullish. Create a new high and break structure here. And it's given us a new bullish 4 hour trading range. So what have we got now? 4 hour bullish, daily bearish, weekly bullish, and monthly bullish. So if price is to continue bullish, which time frame has to flip back bullish? The daily. So this could be an indication that price is getting ready to break structure and flip the daily back bullish. But we're not going to trade on what we think. We're going to trade on what we see. We just got to keep that in the back of our minds. So with that being said, what have we got here? We have got
an imbalance down here. So that is a potential zone here. If price opens up bearish at the beginning of the week, takes this liquidity here, I will look for buys from here. I will look for reactions. If we get a reaction from here, I'm going to look to trade to this high right there. And if we go up, we're looking for the same as what we drew out on the daily time frame. If we go up from here, we take this liquidity, we mitigate the imbalance up here, look, boom, we get a reaction, bam, I'm going to look to sell from there. So on the 4-hour, again, the same two things I'm expecting from the daily time frame. So if we go down to the 1-hour, what we're looking for here. Okay, impulse, retracement, impulse. Very nice. So for price action to continue here, for the 1-hour and the 4-hour to continue bullish, the 1-hour candle cannot close below this low here. So if we just move that to the side, what have we got here? This is a very nice zone. So we've got two zones now to look for buys from. Look at this imbalance here. Why is this imbalance super valid? Because we've got liquidity lying there. That makes this imbalance even higher probable. What I want to see, price opens up somewhere, starts ranging, you know, going into pre-London on Monday. Here's your session here. I want to see price, fake the low, give us confirmation there, boom. That for me, April century right there on the 1-hour time frame, 30-minute, 15-minute confirmation, bang, take them continuations all day. But we've got to remember, there's another imbalance under here, look, that needs filling. So price, it might even use this zone as liquidity as well. We might pull into here. This is why I'm going to wait for confirmations. We either get confirmation from here, take it, or this zone fails. We come down here, we get confirmation from here, boom, and we take it from here instead. If we break straight through there, confirmation here, then we're going to look to trade up through the range right there. So going into next week, those are the two zones I'm looking for here. I'm looking for these 1-hour continuations here. So it makes sense from everything we've been from the higher time frame to low time frame. We've got the 1-hour and the 4-hour bullish, we've got the daily bearish, and we've got the weekly bullish, and we've got the monthly bullish. So for price action to continue bullish, considering all the time frames are lining up back bullish, which is the one that is still bearish that needs to flip back bullish, the daily. So as I said, that could be an indication that we're going to take out this daily high and look for continuations. But we're going to cross that bridge when we come to it. For now, my focus is just down here. So that's it, guys. That's all I'm looking for. That's all I'm waiting for going into next week. Open up the time frames a little bit more. There's no imbalances in here. That lines up with this one. No, nothing really going on there. Back to the daily. We're expecting this imbalance to get filled, and we've covered everything that we're waiting for. Lots of value in here, guys. Remember, please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you've got any questions, please drop them in the comments. And also, I highly recommend that you come, delete that out here, into the Discord. You can go to blackswanfx.com and click the link to join the free Discord. You will be able to see this section here, and you come have a look through the results. Results section here. So payouts, first payout ever, automated prop firm passing and payout process. We have both, the best of both worlds in here. We have the automated side, and we have the manual side. And I go live 9 a.m. Dubai time every single day, not the weekends. So you can come live trade with us, have some fun. It's a really good community, and you can also take advantage of the automated prop firm passing and payout process. That's it for now, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you very much for watching, and peace out. Bosh.